making an infused oil today, thanks to a subscriber's suggestion. But first, we need to understand the difference between an infused oil and an essential oil. Infused oils are made by infusing whole plant material into a carrier oil, such as olive, coconut, sesame, or jojoba oil. The oils are naturally absorbed through the skin and act as a medium to carry constituents deeper into the body. They can safely be used every day in large amounts without the likelihood of causing a reaction. Infused oils are an effective way to draw out the beneficial compounds from the plant and offer a safer and far more sustainable alternative to essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated compounds extracted from plants, usually through the process of distillation. Essential oils are volatile compounds, which means they are emitted as gas when exposed to the open air. On average, essential oils are dozens of times more powerful and therefore require more care. Although a few essential oils can be used directly on the skin, the vast majority should always be diluted in a carrier oil before applying to the skin. Due to their powerful scents, essential oils are often used in aromatherapy but can also be used to support skin issues. Before using an essential oil for the first time, always do a patch test on a small area of your skin and combine it with the carrier oil, and you can see if you can tolerate it. So let's make an infused oil. I love oregano, not just for the culinary reasons, but also because of the powerful medicinal benefits it has for ourselves and our farm animals. So let's make oregano oil today. There are two ways to make it, the long way or the short way. The long way involves filling a jar with dried oregano leaves and simply covering it with the carrier oil. The oregano and the oil merge together over the course of 4 to 6 weeks as the oil extracts the oil-soluble constituents. I turn it once a day just to make sure everything is blending well. After the 4 to 6 weeks, simply strain the oil. For the shorter method, I use a double boiler. A double boiler is simply a pan that sits over the top of another pan with boiling water in the bottom. The heat of the boiling water allows the infusion to speed up, and the constituents of the oregano is pulled out into the oil. I heat this for about a half an hour and then strain the oil. Make sure to let the oil cool down for a bit before putting into a glass container, or you can place into other types of containers in which will be beneficial for you. Use this as a guide to making other types of infused oils. If using herbs, it is best to dry them first before infusing. We here at SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thank you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.